Hilton on Destination Parkway at the Orlando Convention Center. Check in. Captain America, which is completely normal. Breakfast area. The bistro. David's Burgers.
Hello and welcome to the Hilton in downtown Orlando. We are here right before MegaCon. So, let me show you around. All right, we have the lovely bathroom in here, stocked with all the amenities. Their classic verbena lavender soap with a shower. Looks very clean. There's a closet with some coat hangers and a suitcase rack, but all our stuff's in there, so you get to see that next time. And we have a little coffee maker with what looks to be like some coffees and some teas, like some little packets here. We also have a mini fridge, essential, a very big TV, two lovely, I believe they're queen beds, a nice little desk, a nice little chair, nice workspace, and last but certainly not least, a really cool view of the pool. You see the main pool in the center, what I believe is like a kiddie pool and a hot tub off to the right on the upper right hand corner. And then on the upper left hand corner, you can see their lazy river. That is going to be super fun. Unfortunately, I believe it's closed due to, it's like a hurricane or a tropical storm. It's called Fred, so that's fun. There's also in the bottom left-hand corner a slide, and in the top center, all the way in the back, almost can't see it, it's a little play area for the kids. Very cute. Oh, and there's a little restaurant right here. All right.
Pool is open today. Look at that. Look at that lazy river too. All the cabanas for rent. Tropics Pool Bar and Grill. Now this is my speed, the lazy river. We didn't have too much going on today. I would really jump in there. That is awesome. Little fireplace in the evenings. Hilton on Destination Parkway. As you can see right over there, there is the convention center we're headed to today.